Hi everybody! In this video I will show you the most awesome DIYs for school. I tried hard, so please support this video with your like. Let's go! The first DIY is how to make a cool pencil out of a ruler. By the way, you can really get in the next video. Watch all the DIYs, choose your favorite one, and make it at home. Take a picture of your craft and post this photo in a comment to this video. The link to the post for your videos is in the video description section. The 3 best photos will be in the next video, and I'll say hi to you. Let's continue. I will show you how to make a regular pen way more colorful and glittery with hot glue. Put some hot glue on the pen. When the glue dries out, color the pen. Now the pen is groovy and easy to hold. Now I will show you how to make a very nice and cool bookmark. Cut a piece of cardboard like this. Cut it again from both sides. Take a rubber band, like this. Pull one end through the prepared hole. Secure the rubber band with hot glue. The very nice and elegant bookmark is ready. Let's make this notebook better. Put some rubber bands on the notebook. Paint the notebook using a piece of cotton. Now you have a unique, beautiful notebook. You can't buy the same notebook anywhere. This DIY is very funny. I will show you how to make a pencil topper that looks like candy. Twist some pieces of Play-Doh like this. Then start twirling the Play-Doh from one side to make it look like a lollipop. Cover it with clear nail polish, and it's ready. You can use it as a pencil topper. Just watch that no one tries to lick or bite it, as it looks just like a real lollipop. The final DIY is a bonus for you. If you want to make a nice gift for someone, or make your pen look better, try and do this. It's a piece of cake. Thanks for watching. Don't forget that you can be in the next video. Like this video. Thanks to your likes, I continue making more new videos. I feel really happy when you appreciate my efforts. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you're not subscribed yet. We have many other DIY videos. They are really interesting. This was HomeCraft Show. Good luck and see ya!